Xperimedia offers a facility for research and evaluation of innovative products and services from the future media internet domain. The facility consists of integrated technologies from the areas of next-generation networks, social networking and multimedia, running at smart venues with active user communities. One of those venues is CAR, the multi-sport high-performance center of Catalonia, aiming to train athletes to be competitive on an international level. This goal calls for a cutting-edge training environment, and this is exactly what can be found in CAR. The center offers modern training facilities, ranging from combat sports rooms, swimming pools for water polo, synchronized swimming, and dive jumping to a gymnastics hall. To amplify the benefits of such an advanced infrastructure, it has to be complemented with state-of-the-art equipment and technology that can be used outside the lab. This is why CAR is hosting experiments from the Xperimedia project in hopes of utilizing their outcomes in everyday activity. One of the experiments hosted at CAR is Confetti, carried out by Poznań Supercomputing and Networking Center. The researchers aim to investigate the possible applications of future media internet technologies in the improvement of sports training. As the relationship between the coach and the athletes is irreplaceable, the goal is not to substitute it, but to augment the availability, convenience, and effectiveness of the process based on this relationship. The experiment's target is to set up and test a system allowing to maintain and enhance the personal contact between the trainer and the athletes in a remote scenario. The use case that was chosen for the experiment was pommel horse training. A group of coaches and gymnasts attending CAR's training program took part in the research. The usual training session consists of a series of short performances by the athletes, observed by the coach, who later gives his advice on necessary improvements. In order to increase the availability of coaches and make it more convenient for them, Confetti offers the possibility to hold a video conference between the training hall and the coach's remote site. This way, a training session can be held even when a coach is not able to be present at the venue or when the opinion of an external expert is needed. The high-definition picture helps to maintain the feeling of presence between the participants, which is crucial in this scenario. Besides talking to the athletes, the coach is also able to observe their performances of the gymnastic routines. Thanks to the stereoscopic technology offered by Confetti, the stream is displayed in 3D, allowing the coach to see details of the routine with a feeling of perspective. After a performance, the coach can use instant replay and frame-by-frame analysis in 3D to review the routine with the gymnast and give useful remarks. This functionality is available for both the on-site and remote trainer. Another training aid made available by Confetti are past recordings of athletic performances. The coach can use them to demonstrate the proper way of executing the routines or to assess the progress made by his protégé. Additionally, the recordings contain a 3D model of the human skeleton, matching the movements of the athlete captured by motion tracking, allowing for an even more detailed view of the performance. After the experiment, both the athletes and the coach were interviewed using previously prepared questionnaires in order to collect data concerning quality of experience. This data helped answer questions related to the applicability of the Confetti system and its various functionalities in a remote training scenario and the influence of different technical parameters on user experience.
Video conferencing provided by Confetti is giving us new opportunities at CAR in order to improve our methodology. So we're having crisis time, so traveling is expensive, and having this kind of tools will let us to approach a new methodology to help our coaches to work, link it together with others around the country, around the world, and improve the methodology through the video conferencing. The 3D functionality taken on this project are providing new options on how we see reality. So our coaches discover for the first time in their lives where they can see real images on remote places. So it's a big step forward how this functionality could benefit the way they observe, the way they make decisions, and help themselves along the network through this 3D video conferencing tool.